Hi everyone, today we will be making a flower earrings made from red beads. We will need to prepare a few materials for our project. We'll need beading set tool, 3mm red beads, some extension chain, earring hoop. This one, it depends on you. The connector for the center of the flower. We will be needing eye pins for the petals. I have one that I already done earlier, and here it is. It looks nice and pretty that you can use it everywhere you go. So let us get started now. To start with, let's take the eye pins and also the red beads. For this, I'll use 5 eye pin for each flowers, so that's make 5 petals for each of it. Now take an eye pin and put 12 red beads in it. We don't want it to be too tight because we won't be able to bend it later on. Make sure you got the same amount of beads on each eye pin. Now the amount is right, we can use the round nose plier to make a loop at the end of it. Now make for the other 9 eye pins. 12 red beads on each of the eye pin. We have 5 eye pins with red beads on for each side. Get a round object to bend the wire. For this, I'll be using the end of one of the pliers that I have, the smallest one. You need to do this for the whole 10 eye pins with the red beads. I'm adjusting the length of the petals so it will be easier for me to put it in the connector later on.
Now that we're done, let's proceed with the next step. Get the connector.
I'll put the chain in one of the petals before I start putting in the petals in the connector. I'll be making one for each side. Now get one of the connector, leave a little bit opening, and start putting in the petals one by one. This step is a little bit hard, so you might will need to put a little bit more focus on this side. The petals keep falling off. You need to at least put 4 petals in it before closing the connector. With petals, you will need to use a different method to put it in the connector. You'll need to open up the loop a little bit so it can hook up to the connector. You will need the round nose plier to make this job a little bit more easier than using the normal plier. Alright, one side in, and let's close it and open the other end. Now 2 sides are done and we just need to make sure it to close properly. We will need to make some adjustment on the petals so it will look a little bit rounder. I'll let the plier that I used earlier to make that job. Now we got our first flower. Now let's put the earring hook in using the plier. Now we got one part of the earring done. I'll be making some adjustment to secure the flowers. Oh, this one flower is really done and put it aside. So let's proceed with the second flower. Just repeat the step where you put the petals in the connector. Make some adjustment where it's needed. You will want the flower to look a little bit at least identical to each other. Now let's get the earring hook and put it on the second flower. And now we got our second petals done. And here's our earrings. So what do you think about this red flower earring? I personally like it and would wear it. I will cut for each of my videos. So if you like it, please leave a like, comments, and also subscribe if you haven't. If you have a suggestion for the next video, please leave it in the comment as well, and I'll see what I can do about it. I look forward for your next visit. See you in the next video. Bye!